So my question for you is, do you think that people are happier if they have money? Why or why not?
So for me, based on how I see it, I don't actually think that money would be the sole reason to equate to happiness. I say this because I've actually met certain people who are rich, but it's in money wise or wealth. And I could say that based on what I saw, money isn't the sole reason that they're happy. Most of them would say that, yeah, money helps, money makes them happy, but there's always a feeling of like something's lacking, even if they have all the money to purchase different materials or different things or food which they want, yet there's still something lacking. And that also got me questioning, because ever since I was a child, I always thought that if you are rich enough or if you have money, why would you be sad? Because you can buy all the things you want. You can buy like all the toys, all the stationery, all the kinds of cars, or even your dream house and everything. However, I feel like if you lack the characteristics of contentment, I think that is what actually brings us to the idea of happiness. You can have all money or all the wealth, you could be the richest person on the planet, yet if you don't have the characteristic of being contented with what you have, you'll never attain happiness. I think that happiness would be subjective per person. I think that to attain actual happiness, you need to be contented with what you have, whether it's riches or rags. You have to realize that what you have right now is like the best thing you could attain, so you should be like proud of yourself, and that should be grounds on what happiness is. So as a person, and like as a student, and as an incoming professional, I think to ground myself on what I would describe happiness to be, I would say that happiness is subjective and it should be based on contentment. And so if one day I'm permitted to get money, I know deep in my heart, based on what I am, not really what I am, but who I am, I really like money. That's no joke. I really love money. However, even if I would be a professional one day and get a lot of money, I don't think I would be happy, because I think it's more on what I use the money for, like with the people I'm with, what the things I buy, and what's the purpose of my money. So that alone, that my money has purpose, is the idea that I am using my money for something that will make me feel happy with myself, or something that will make me feel contented with what I can do with it. So yeah, I think more on contentment is what happiness is all about. It's not really only about money alone. So I think that will be my answer for whether money is the sole reason for happiness.
Cut.